For making Egg Tawa Burger, we need chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, ginger garlic paste, Schezwan Chutney, mayonnaise, cheese, butter, boiled eggs and burger buns. First of all, we will take the burger buns and cut them into halves. The next step is to cut the boiled eggs into small pieces. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat and add the finely chopped onions. Fry the onions until they become soft. Now add the finely chopped capsicum and fry them for a minute. At this point, we will add the chopped tomatoes and fry them until the oil is separated. I have forgotten to add the ginger garlic paste, so I am adding it now. Fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw flavor is gone. Now goes the salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Mix everything well. It's time to add the boiled egg pieces and mix them very gently with the masala mixture. We will now add the most delicious part, and that is the cheese. Break the cheese into small pieces and add them into the prepared egg stuffing. Cook the stuffing until the cheese melts down. Our egg stuffing is now done. Switch off the heat. Heat another pan and add butter to it. Let the butter melt down. Toast the burger buns in the butter until they get a nice golden color and become crisp. You can see how beautifully our buns got toasted. We will now remove them in a plate. Similarly, we will toast the other buns too. We will now remove them in a plate. It's time to assemble our burger. First of all, coat the buns with mayonnaise. Then apply a generous amount of Schezwan Chutney. Similarly, we will do with the other side. Now we will place our egg stuffing on the burger. Now cover the burger with the other half. Similarly, we will assemble the other burger too. For serving, take a beautifully decorated serving tray and place the freshly prepared Egg Tawa Burger on them.